You passed 5th grade once, but could you pass it today? 20 real science questions, and they get harder as we go. Think you've got what it takes? Comment your final score at the end. Quick thing, if you're new here, subscribe and turn on notifications, because we're kicking off a daily quiz series covering science, history, geography, and general knowledge. A like helps a ton too. Now, let's get into today's quiz. Here's how it works. 20 questions, 5 seconds to think. Easy to start, brutal by the end. Score yourself as we go. Let's find out if you're smarter than a 5th grader. Question number 1. What are the 3 main states of matter? A solid, liquid, gas. B, hot, cold, warm. C, big, medium, small. D, fast, slow, still. The answer is A, solid, liquid, and gas. Ice, water, and steam are the exact same substance in 3 different forms. That's why water can be a rock-hard cube 1 minute and floating away as steam the next. Question number 2. Which organ pumps blood through your body? A, lungs. B, brain. C, heart. D, liver. The answer is C, the heart. It beats about 100,000 times a day without you ever thinking about it. Over an average lifetime, that adds up to more than 2.5 billion beats. Question number 3. What gas do plants absorb to make their own food? A, oxygen. B, carbon dioxide. C, nitrogen. D, hydrogen. The answer is B, carbon dioxide. Plants use it during photosynthesis to make energy, and they release oxygen as a bonus. That single process is responsible for most of the breathable air on Earth. Question number 4. What force pulls objects toward the Earth? A, magnetism. B, friction. C, gravity. D, momentum. The answer is C, gravity. It's the same force keeping you on the ground and keeping the moon locked in orbit. Without it, everything, including you, would simply float off the planet. Question number 5. Which planet is known as the red planet? A, Venus. B, Mars. C, Jupiter. D, Saturn. The answer is B, Mars. It gets its red color from iron oxide on the surface. Basically, the whole planet is rusted. It's also home to the tallest volcano in the entire solar system. Question number 6. What is the sun? A, a planet. B, a moon. C, a star. D, a comet. The answer is C, a star. It's a giant ball of burning gas that gives our entire solar system light and heat. It's so massive that more than 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Question number 7. What do we call animals that have a backbone? A, invertebrates. B, vertebrates. C, amphibians. D, mammals. The answer is B, vertebrates. Fish, birds, reptiles, and humans all belong to this group. Less than 5% of all known animal species on Earth are actually vertebrates. 7 down, 13 to go. How's your score so far? Question number 8. What do we call an animal that eats both plants and other animals? A, herbivore. B, carnivore. C, omnivore. D, decomposer. The answer is C, omnivore. Humans, bears, and pigs are all omnivores. Being an omnivore is a huge survival advantage, since you're never stuck if one food source disappears. Question number 9. What's the process called when water turns into vapor and rises into the sky? A, condensation. B, evaporation. C, precipitation. D, collection. The answer is B, evaporation. It's the first step of the water cycle. Every drop of rain that's ever fallen has evaporated and fallen again countless times throughout Earth's history. Question number 10. Which part of a plant absorbs water from the soil? A, leaves. B, stem. C, roots. D, flower. The answer is C, roots. They also anchor the plant firmly in place. Some tree roots stretch wider underground than the tree itself is tall above the ground. Question number 11. What's the hardest natural substance on Earth? A. Gold. B. Iron. C. Diamond. D. Granite. The answer is C. Diamond. It's so hard that the only thing that can scratch a diamond is another diamond. Diamonds are actually made of pure carbon, the very same element found in pencil lead. Question number 12. Which of these is not a form of energy? A. Light. B. Sound. C. Heat. D. Mass. The answer is D. Mass. Mass is a measure of matter, not energy, though Einstein famously showed the two are deeply connected through his equation, E equals mc squared. Question number 13. What do we call the layer of gases surrounding Earth? A. Ozone. B. Atmosphere. C. Stratosphere. D. Ecosystem. The answer is B. Atmosphere. It lets us breathe and protects us from harmful radiation coming from space. Without it, temperatures on Earth would swing wildly between scorching hot and freezing cold every single day. Question number 14. What do we call the center of an atom? A. Electron. B. Proton. C. Nucleus. D. Orbit. The answer is C. Nucleus. It holds nearly all of an atom's mass, packed into an incredibly tiny space. If an atom were the size of a football stadium, the nucleus would only be about the size of a pea. 14 down, only 6 questions left, and from here, they get even tougher. Question number 15. What's the layer of Earth directly beneath the crust? A. Core. B. Mantle. C. Lithosphere. D. Crustline. The answer is B. Mantle. It's mostly solid rock, but over millions of years, it flows slowly enough to move entire continents. That slow movement is what causes earthquakes and volcanoes. Question number 16. What's it called when a solid turns directly into a gas, skipping the liquid stage? A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Sublimation. D. Deposition. The answer is C. Sublimation. Dry ice does exactly this. It changes straight from a solid into a gas, which is why it creates that smoky effect without ever leaving a puddle behind. Question number 17. Which rock type forms from cooled lava or magma? A. Sedimentary. B. Metamorphic. C. Igneous. D. Mineral. The answer is C. Igneous. The word igneous comes from the Latin word for fire. Around 90% of Earth's crust is actually made of igneous rock, even though most of it is hidden beneath the surface. Question number 18. What's the basic unit of all living things? A. Atom. B. Cell. C. Tissue. D. Organ. The answer is B. Cell. Your body is made up of roughly 37 trillion cells, all working together right now. Some cells, like nerve cells, can actually grow to be over 1 meter long. Question number 19. What's the imaginary line around which Earth spins called? A. Equator. B. Meridian. C. Axis. D. Orbit. The answer is C. Axis. Earth is tilted by 23.5 degrees. That single tilt is the reason we have seasons. Without it, every day of the year would feel almost exactly the same. Final question. Question number 20. What's the process called where plants convert sunlight into energy? A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Germination. D. Pollination. The answer is B. Photosynthesis. This one incredible process produces nearly all the breathable oxygen on Earth. It's also the reason almost every food chain on our planet exists in the first place. And that's a wrap. 20 questions down. So, how did you do? If you got 15 or more correct, congratulations! You are officially smarter than a 5th grader. Comment your score below and let everyone know how you did. Also, Tell me which subject you'd like to be tested on next. Math, geography, history, or maybe general knowledge. Remember, we're posting a brand new quiz every single day, so if you enjoyed this one, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next challenge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for another quiz.